Today we're talking about a true legend in the world of muscle motorcycles, the Yamaha XJR1300. If you love big engines, classic styling, and raw road presence, this bike is something special. The Yamaha XJR1300 is not just a motorcycle, it's an attitude on two wheels. From the moment you look at it, you can feel its old-school power combined with timeless design. The large fuel tank, the exposed inline-4 engine, the twin rear shocks, and the muscular stance all give it that authentic retro street fighter look that never goes out of style. The Yamaha XJR1300 is powered by a massive 1251cc air-cooled inline-4 engine. Yes, air-cooled, and that's part of its charm. In a world full of liquid-cooled high-tech machines, this engine keeps things raw and mechanical. It produces around 98 horsepower and strong torque of about 108 Nm, which means smooth acceleration and serious pulling power, especially in mid-range RPMs. When you twist the throttle, you feel that deep, powerful surge that makes this bike so addictive to ride. The 5-speed transmission is tuned for relaxed yet strong highway cruising. The bike feels planted, stable, and confident even at higher speeds. The steel double cradle frame gives it solid road presence, and the fully adjustable suspension ensures comfort on city roads as well as open highways. The dual front disc brakes with ABS provide reliable stopping power, which is essential for a heavy, high-performance machine like this. Design-wise, the Yamaha XJR1300 stands out because of its classic round headlight, wide handlebars, chunky fuel tank, and visible engine fins. It gives strong cafe racer and street muscle vibes. The chrome exhaust pipes shine beautifully, especially in studio lighting or sunlight. The blue color option, in particular, looks premium and aggressive at the same time. The metallic blue fuel tank combined with black wheels and polished engine parts creates a perfect contrast. Now, before we continue with deeper details, let me quickly introduce our channel. You are watching Future Car, also known as Future Cars. Our channel brings you detailed reviews of American vehicles and cars, bikes, and motorcycles from around the world. We focus on performance, design, pricing, features, and real-world usability so you can understand everything before making a buying decision. If you love powerful cars, muscle trucks, superbikes, cruisers, and future automotive technology, this channel is made for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Car and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and updates. Now let's get back to the Yamaha XJR1300 and talk about its detailed specifications and pricing for the American market. Although the Yamaha XJR1300 was never officially sold in the United States in recent years, it remains highly popular in the used and imported motorcycle market. In the American market, depending on condition, mileage, and year, the price typically ranges between $7,000 and $12,000. Clean, low-mileage models in excellent condition can go even higher, especially rare editions. When calculating the on-road price in America, you need to consider state taxes, registration fees, insurance, and dealer documentation charges. On average, after taxes and fees, the on-road price may reach approximately $8,000 to $13,500 depending on the purchase price and state regulations. Insurance costs vary by rider age and location, but for a 1250cc motorcycle, insurance can range between $600 to $1,500 per year in many US states. Let's talk more about the engine character. The 1251cc inline-4 engine delivers strong low-end torque, which makes city riding smooth without constant gear shifting. On highways, it cruises comfortably at 70 to 80 miles per hour without feeling stressed. The air-cooled design also gives the engine a classic mechanical sound that many enthusiasts prefer over modern silent engines. The fuel tank capacity is around 21 liters, which provides a decent riding range for long-distance touring. Fuel efficiency is approximately 35 to 45 miles per gallon depending on riding style. That makes it practical for both daily use and weekend rides. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks, often upgraded in later versions with Öhlins components in special editions. This improves ride comfort and cornering stability. The bike weighs around 245 kilograms, which makes it heavy, but once moving, the weight feels balanced and stable. The seating position is upright and comfortable, The wide seat allows both rider and passenger to sit comfortably for long journeys. The handlebar position reduces wrist strain, making it suitable for long highway rides. In terms of color options, the Yamaha XJR1300 has been available in metallic blue, black, silver, red, and special anniversary editions with unique paint schemes. The blue version is especially popular because it highlights the bike's muscular fuel tank and chrome detailing. The instrument cluster is simple and classic, usually featuring dual analog gauges for speedometer and tachometer. This old-school design is loved by riders who appreciate mechanical authenticity rather than digital screens. On the road, the Yamaha XJR1300 feels powerful yet predictable. It is not a lightweight sport bike, but it delivers smooth, linear power. It is perfect for riders who enjoy strong torque and classic styling rather than extreme racing posture. Maintenance is relatively straightforward compared to modern high-tech bikes. Since it uses an air-cooled engine, there are fewer cooling system components to maintain. However, regular oil changes and proper carburetor or fuel injection maintenance are important for smooth performance. For customization lovers, the XJR1300 is an excellent platform. Many owners convert it into cafe racers, street fighters, or custom muscle builds. Aftermarket exhaust system. Seat modifications, handlebar changes, and paint jobs are very common with this model. If you are someone who wants a motorcycle that looks bold, sounds powerful, and feels connected to the road, the Yamaha XJR1300 is a fantastic choice. It combines retro styling with reliable Japanese engineering. It's not overloaded with electronics, and that simplicity is exactly what makes it special. In today's market full of high-tech superbikes, the XJR1300 reminds us of the golden era of big air-cooled machines. It is built for riders who love character and road presence more than lap times. So that was our detailed review of the Yamaha XJR1300 for the American market. If you enjoyed this video and want more detailed reviews of American cars, trucks, motorcycles, and vehicles from around the world, make sure you subscribe to Future Car. Like this video, share it with your friends, and comment below which bike or car you want us to review next. We will continue bringing powerful machines and honest reviews for you. See you in the next video. Ride safe and stay passionate about automobiles.